Here we have a 70 plate Audi Q2 TDI Black Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the LED headlights. We also have the Memphis black exterior paintwork, colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass at the rear. We also have the shark fin antennae on the roof, 19-inch alloy wheels. We do have the rear parking sensors with an audible warning, power operated tailgate. We also have the rear spoiler as well, just here, sitting nice and flush with the rest of the roof lining. Taking a look at the interior, we'll have a look inside of the back first. You can see the half leather seats, fixed ISO points as well back here. We do also have the brushed metal door handles, gloss black trim and electric windows. Take a look at the front, so you'll find the same half leather seats. Taking a look at the passenger seat and then also the driver's seat quickly. You then have the heated electric mirrors, electric windows with child lock on each side, automatic lights, automatic wipers and a multifunctional steering wheel. Take a seat inside, you'll find the dashboard in front of the digital screen in the centre, multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters either side. We also have the speedometer and the cruise control on this stalk. We then have the main infotainment screen here in the centre, plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. If this screen is flickering, it's just the camera, it's not flickering in real life, it's nothing to worry about. We do have the other buttons and shortcuts just down here, so you can see we have the radio stations, we have the different options just there, along with the media options just here as well. You can see all these different options. You have the auxiliary, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You then have the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls. Going on to the main menu, you can see all these other options which you can scroll through. If you go down to smartphone, you'll also find we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Got the events just down here. We also have the climate control, ice cold air conditioning, 12-volt connectivity and a USB port. We then have the cup holders just down there, automatic gearbox as well, which has the different drive modes. We have the electric handbrake just down here, along with the leather armrest. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Audi Q2 TDI Black Edition. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm at the fire of the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel, which has paddle shifters either side, so if you want to set the car into manual mode, you can simply tap on the pedals to change gear. We also have the speedometer and the cruise control on this stalk just behind the steering wheel. Digital screen as well in the centre of the dashboard, which can show different bits of information. It's currently showing the digital speedometer. Now we do have plenty more features throughout the interior of the vehicle. Gloss black trim here on the handles and also across the dash. Really nice piece for the interior. We then have the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the sat-nav. Again, plenty more features on there you would have seen on the photos. For example, we do have the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Really useful features to have. We have DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity and much more. Below there we have the manual climate control, which has the ice cold air conditioning, which is perfect for the hot summer days. We have the cup holders below there, automatic gearbox as well, which is really smooth going through all the gears, along with having the different drive modes. Now in a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, so we put our right indicator on. We're going to slow down, and we're going to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. You can hear the parking sensors, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.